Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today's video shows you how to access the camera settings in the latest version of UniGCS. After the UniGCS update, the location of some menu options has changed. As a result, many users can no longer find the camera settings page after upgrading. In this video, we'll show you how to quickly locate the camera settings in the latest version of UniGCS. For this demonstration, we'll use the SIYI UniRC 10 Pro and the SIYI UniRC 7 to compare the differences between the old and new versions of UniGCS. First, let's look at the old version of UniGCS. Tap the three-dot menu in the upper right corner. You can see that the first option is Camera Settings. After entering the camera settings page, you can either select a supported camera model for connection or manually enter an RTSP video stream address to connect a third-party video source. Now let's take a look at the latest version of UniGCS. Again, tap the three-dot menu in the upper right corner. You'll notice that camera settings is no longer the first option. Even if you scroll down through the menu, you still won't find the camera settings option. So, how do you access camera settings in the latest version of UniGCS? First, scroll to the bottom of the menu and tap Settings. In the Settings page, continue scrolling down until you find Connection Settings. Tap Connection Settings and you'll find the camera settings page. After entering camera settings, you can either select a camera model officially supported by SIYI or manually enter an RTSP video stream address according to your requirements to configure the video source. Next, we'll use the SIYI ZT-6 gimbal camera as an example. Follow the steps we just demonstrated to enter camera settings. Select the ZT-6 camera, complete the configuration, and then return to the flight view. As you can see, the ZT-6 has been connected successfully, and the live video stream is displayed normally, indicating that the camera settings in the latest version of UniGCS have been configured successfully. This concludes our tutorial on how to access the camera settings in the latest version of UniGCS. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the World Drone Market channel. See you in the next video.